outscoring the Gophers individually this half is Pryce Sandfort. Oh my!
That was an infraction.
Fourth foul on Iowa in this second half. Here's Sandfort looking for the three. And he finds it.
And facing the floor. If he looks toward the corner, there's no way he's going to be able to see that cutter, but because he turned and faced, chance for that.
Oh! Execution and unselfishness. That was nice from Illinois. Sandfort curling, triple.
6-point game in favor of Illinois. Here's Sandfort, got a look, and he cuts.
At the half, they needed Steinbach to be much more aggressive, hunt for that shot, post up, try to get to the free throw line.
Yeah, a young man that transfers from Elon, just a good rotation on that basketball.
And the answer. Sandfort resets, knocks it down.
Saving opportunities for Sturts is how to get him rolling. Any ball screen is just bringing help. Sandfort is on fire.
He's playing with that type of velocity. Already 8 points on 3 for 3. Sandfort.
Nebraska defensively, Reed so athletic, but has struggled so far shooting the three this year, 14%.
Sandfort.
The backup for a year to Yannicota Niederhauser, but he ended up staying in the NBA draft. Sandfort hit.
Unbeaten Nebraska here in Ann Arbor, out to a 1-point lead. Sandfort left open, and he'll get the people in front of us standing until the visitors make their first basket. So we got to look around here, and Pryce.
Active cutter leaves that corner open every time. Going to have to make some adjustments.
Sandfort, normally
Possession with the rebound.
There's Sandfort.
Top 15. It's been a fabulous year here for Nebraska. And then
Cale Jacobson provided some good minutes for Nebraska off the bench. Sandfort, his first.
Running the same play to get Sandfort off the screen. And points.
Back to Hoiberg. Sandfort's first attempt, and that rattles.
Man-to-man defense.
Sandfort, three on the way, drains it.
Extra pass by Durkin. Tyson makes that more often than not.
Here's Sandfort, doesn't need much space in.
4-0 in second chance points for Washington. Sandfort's three is
a business decision.
And miscues here in the first half for Troy. There he is again, folks.
Oh, here, mask out, it changes all their dynamics.
Sandfort set three.
4 fouls. It's a screen back for Sandfort. Sandfort deep three.
But boy, did he get to the top floor quickly. Big shot, quiet the crowd. Sandfort, quick fire. And off this.
Down there, and you let the experienced Mass kind of go to work down there on the block.
Sandfort